Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find number of real solutions using discriminant. So let's go ahead and read the question. The question says, compute the value of the discriminant and give the number of real solutions of the quadratic equation. And the equation is negative 4x squared plus 9x minus 3 equals 0. A little bit background about it. We know that standard form of a quadratic equation was ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And we had the formula of quadratic formula of x1 comma 2 is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, this is all under the square root sign, divided by 2 times a. So in order for us to figure out the x values, we need to identify the a, b, c values. So I will be, let me write it in red. A is equal to negative 4, b is equal to 9, and then 9. And then c is equal to negative 3. So in my question, it was saying compute the value of the discriminant. What's a discriminant? We need to identify this. Let me change the color. Discriminant is the part under the square root sign. Not the square root, but the expression right underneath of it. So it is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Okay? Because it's called discriminant because it separates the two values with this positive and negative sign. So there are three cases for discriminant. If discriminant, let's write number 1. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there are two real solutions. This is the first case. Second case, if b squared minus 4ac, which is discriminant again, b squared minus 4ac, it is equal to 0, then there is only one real solution. There is only one value of x. The third case is if the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no real solution. There is no real solution. Considering those three cases, we will be trying to figure out the number of real solutions, which was being asked to us in the question. So let me change my color and make it black, and let's go ahead and say we're going to be identifying if b squared minus 4ac, if it is greater than or equal to or maybe less than 0. We're going to go ahead and substitute the values of a, b, c. b squared is 9 squared minus 4 times a value is negative 4, and then c value is negative 3. So I'm checking this answer, and I am noticing that that's going to be 81. Let me make this 81. Okay, 81. Negative times negative times negative, that's going to be negative, which would be 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 3, that's going to be 48. 81 minus 48, that would be, 81 minus 48 would be 33. So that would be 33. So I'm noticing that this value is greater than 0, which satisfies the first situation. B squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. So I would say there are two real solutions. Result is there are two real solutions. The question is not asking us to write down the answers, what the values of x are, but it is asking how many real solutions there is. So there are two real solutions.